Yo, what's up everyone? It's your boy Looney back with another market breakdown. Today we're going to dive into current state of a few AI stocks, which include Nvidia, Palantir, and AMD. Are these stocks overhyped, or is there still room for major gains? Let's break it down. Let's pull up Nvidia first. So you can see Nvidia is currently at 112, and it's been a powerhouse in the AI sector with its GPUs. And despite the recent market volatility, Nvidia's revenue is projected to grow by 112% to 129 billion by this year. And it increases demand for AI infrastructure. And this growth just underscores Nvidia has a leading position in the AI landscape. I'm currently not invested in Nvidia. I do think it's a good stock. If we look at the technicals on maybe a 3-month or even a month, it is on the lower end of the Bollinger Band, and it's sort of trading at the middle, but on the lower end of it. And the Bollinger lower is at 107, which means there is a 95% that it stays within these bands, or you could kind of divide them by two. I'm pretty sure it's either 95 or 92%. It's somewhere around there. I have to look at it again, but it's based on a standard deviation. And sometimes I just like to split it in half. So instead of being that 90%, it's more like 45% that it's not going to go lower than 107. And I'm not invested in Nvidia, like I said before. The reason for that is because I already made my money on Nvidia, and I do feel there's other opportunities that would just get me more money, because that's really what investing is about, is just getting more money. And although it's a great stock and we do see growth, 93% analysts say buy. I also believe it's a buy. It's weighted at 130. I already made my money on this. I've already sold it when it was high. I sold it at 9.59 for a profit. Okay, so now the next stock we're going to look at is one that I am invested into, and that is AMD, which is currently trading at 112 cents, and it has faced challenges recently with its stocks declining due to struggles in gaining substantial traction in the AI market. If we look year to date, down 18%. Despite these setbacks, Wall Street anticipates a 23% revenue growth in 2025 and then a 21% in 2026, indicating potential for AMD to rebound as it strengthens its AI strategy. And this stock, I am buying the dip. I buy $1 every day. Total return, I'm down 31%. I'm trying to get my cost basis down to under 100 or closer to 100, because buying every day, dollar cost averaging, it affects how your cost basis behaves. And I'm simply buying the dip. Some people might say catching a falling knife. I don't know if I necessarily agree with that, because I'm not putting all my money into this. I'm doing a little bit at a time. And I'm doing this as a long-term play. Like you could see here, $1 a day. Hopefully I can get 100 shares, maybe not the next day or next week, but in the future, I'll be able to get 100 shares, and then I could do some option trading on AMD, and also hopefully be at a massive total return. And then the last stock I'm just going to quickly go over is Palantir. And we all know Palantir. It's a great stock. Year to date, up 11%. It was up 60% to 124 at one point, greater than Nvidia, even though Nvidia had a stock split. Still pretty massive gains. I do feel Palantir is also a great buy. They have it ranked as a hold, but I could see the stock back up to 100 and even surpass it. I am just holding off on Palantir. I feel as though I missed that kind of initial jump. And usually when stocks jump this high that quickly, there will be a bigger pullback. I don't know how much, maybe back to 60 or maybe go up to 150. We really don't know. We don't know the future, but good stock. And I'll keep my eyes on it. I might invest into it. My substitute for that is Robinhood. Right now, I have just started Robinhood, $43 a share. Again, dollar cost averaging. and I hope to get 100 shares. And I could see this stock also being $100. So I'm doing Robinhood. Although it's not an AI stock, it is my substitute for Palantir. And my final thoughts are, while Nvidia continues to dominate the AI infrastructure space, Palantir's rapid rise warrants cautious optimism, and AMD's current challenges could present a buying opportunity for long-term investors. As always, it's crucial to conduct thorough research and consider your risk tolerance before making any investment decisions. Drop a comment below with your thoughts on these AI stocks. Are you buying, selling, or holding? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join my Discord for real-time trade alerts and market discussions. Until next time, peace.